Tracking plays an important role when scanning with our Metaroom Scan app. To get the best results and an accurate 3D model, you need to maintain stable tracking throughout the entire scan.
The Metaroom Scan app continuously maps your surroundings by using the device's camera system and sensors. This allows it to track its position in real time and capture the space accurately.
As soon as you start a scan, tracking begins, and it's crucial to keep it stable until you're finished. Having unstable tracking can happen at any time since it depends on the environment and how you are scanning it. However, this is not a problem if you follow the on-screen instructions.
To help you keep tracking stable, we've developed a tracking assistant. If everything is working smoothly, it stays out of the way. However, if tracking becomes unstable, a warning will appear on the screen, guiding you to restore it.
In most cases, simply standing still is enough for tracking to be recovered. If standing still does not help the tracking, move the phone back to a previously scanned area. However, if tracking is lost, you may need to return the way you came. If the tracking is unstable and does not recover for some time, it might even be lost completely. In this case, the app will show you exactly where you lost tracking and where to go to recover it.
A few important things to remember. Tracking runs in the background even when you review the 3D model in the preview. Never cover the camera during your scan, as this can cause tracking to fail.
Tracking issues can occur if the camera is covered, the lighting is too low, movements are too fast, or the scanned surfaces are too plain or lack contrast.
You can only finish a scan section when tracking is stable. This ensures that all parts of your scan align correctly, giving you an accurate final 3D model.
If tracking isn't stable, the Finish section button will be grayed out. Just follow the guidance to restore stability, and then you can continue. The tracking assistant is activated by default. If you want to deactivate it, simply go to Settings and toggle it off.
The tracking assistant helps you to capture high-quality scans, even in challenging environments.